Hello everyone, welcome to Writing Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to write a professional and winning accountant resume, and we'll go step by step using a complete real example. I'm going to explain what this type of resume is, why each section is important, what you should write, and I'll include the full sample in every part so you can follow along easily and confidently. So first, what exactly is an accountant resume? An accountant resume is a professional document that highlights your ability to manage financial records, prepare reports, ensure accuracy, and support business decisions through financial data. Employers want someone who is detail-oriented, trustworthy, and capable of handling numbers with precision. That's why your resume must clearly show accuracy, compliance, financial knowledge, and measurable results. Now let's break everything down step by step. Header and contact information. Let's start with the very top of the resume. Here is the full sample. Michael Carter, 3819 Willow Creek Drive, Charlotte, North Carolina 28202, United States. Phone 704-5556-284. Email michael.carter@email.com. LinkedIn linkedin.com/in/Michael Carter. Now, what should you write here? You always begin with your full name, and it should stand out clearly at the top. This is your professional identity. Next, include your address, or at least your city and state. This helps employers understand your location. Then include your phone number and a professional email address. Make sure your email is simple and uses your real name. Finally, include your LinkedIn profile. This allows employers to learn more about your experience and professional background. Tip: always double-check your contact information to avoid missing opportunities. Professional summary. Next, we move to the professional summary. Here is the full sample. Detail-oriented accountant with over 6 years of experience managing financial records, preparing reports, and ensuring compliance with accounting standards. Skilled in analyzing financial data, improving processes, and supporting business decision-making. Proven ability to increase accuracy, reduce costs, and meet deadlines in fast-paced environments. Now let's break this down so you know exactly what to write. The first sentence says, detail-oriented accountant with over 6 years of experience. This introduces who you are and your experience level. Next, managing financial records, preparing reports, and ensuring compliance. This explains your main responsibilities. Then, skilled in analyzing financial data, improving processes, and supporting business decision-making. This shows your key skills and how you add value. Finally, proven ability to increase accuracy, reduce costs, and meet deadlines. This shows measurable results and reliability. Tip: keep your summary clear, concise, and focused on value. Core skills. Now let's look at the core skills section. Here is the full sample: financial reporting, general ledger management, accounts payable and receivable, budgeting and forecasting, tax preparation, financial analysis, reconciliation, Microsoft Excel and QuickBooks, attention to detail, time management. This section highlights your main abilities. Each skill is directly related to accounting tasks. For example, financial reporting shows you can prepare reports. Reconciliation shows accuracy. Budgeting and forecasting shows planning ability. Tip: make sure your skills match the job you're applying for. Professional experience. Now we move to the most important section: professional experience. Let's start with the first role. Here is the full sample: senior accountant, Greenfield Financial Services, Charlotte, North Carolina. March 2021 to present. Prepared and analyzed monthly, quarterly, and annual financial statements. This shows core accounting responsibilities. Managed general ledger activities and ensured accuracy of financial records. This highlights responsibility and precision. Reduced reporting errors by 25% through improved reconciliation processes. This is very strong because it shows measurable improvement. Assisted in budgeting and forecasting. This shows strategic involvement. Ensured compliance with financial regulations. This shows knowledge of rules and standards. Collaborated with auditors. This shows teamwork and professionalism. Now, the second role, accountant. Brightline Manufacturing, Raleigh, North Carolina, June 2018 to February 2021. Handled accounts payable and receivable. This shows financial operations. Reconciled bank statements and resolved discrepancies. This shows accuracy. Prepared tax documents. This highlights compliance and knowledge. Improved financial tracking systems. This shows efficiency and improvement. Generated financial reports. This shows reporting skills. Now the third role, junior accountant. Summit Business Group, Durham, North Carolina, January 2016 to May 2018. Assisted in maintaining financial records. This shows foundational experience. Processed invoices and tracked expenses. This shows daily accounting tasks. Supported senior accountants. This shows teamwork. Helped ensure accuracy. Accuracy is critical in accounting. Tip: always include numbers and results where possible. Education. Now let's look at education. Here's the full sample. Bachelor of Science in Accounting, University of North Carolina at Charlotte. Graduated 2015. This section confirms your academic background. Keep it simple and clear. Certifications. Next is certifications. Here is the full sample. Certified Public Accountant, CPA. Certified Management Accountant, CMA. These certifications are extremely valuable. They show expertise and professional credibility. Technical skills. Now let's look at technical skills. Here is the full sample. QuickBooks, Microsoft Excel, Pivot Tables, VLOOKUP, SAP, Oracle Financials. These tools are essential in accounting. They show your ability to work with financial systems and data. Key achievements. Now let's look at key achievements. Here is the full sample. Reduced financial discrepancies by 25% through improved reconciliation processes. This shows strong impact. Streamlined reporting procedures, saving 10+ hours per month. This shows efficiency. Recognized for accuracy and attention to detail. This adds credibility. Languages. Finally, we have languages. Here is the full sample. English, fluent. Spanish, intermediate. This is useful if your job involves communication with different clients. So to recap, a strong accountant should have clear contact information, include a strong summary, highlight key accounting skills, show experience with measurable results, include education and certifications, list technical tools, highlight achievements. Remember, your resume should clearly show that you are accurate, reliable, and capable of handling financial responsibilities. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching Writing Tutorials.